What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, Shadrack Sibia, at his home, he was visited by members of SIU, Crime Intelligence, SAPS, and they were involved in this something called the search and seizure. And the suspended Shadrack Sibia, he was saying, what, I feel like I've been betrayed by my colleagues following this police investigation, that was raiding his home as they were seizing, cell phones, laptops, and other electronic devices. So Shadrack Sibia, was saying if they want to arrest me, they can come and arrest me. But at the same time, I feel like I've been betrayed. But looking at it, he has not been betrayed because this investigation has been there, for a very long time. But if anything, Shadrack Sibia has to obviously maybe hope that his gadgets don't betray him or whatever that it is. Maybe because if they find something incriminating in those devices, then it's going to be over for Shadrack Sibia. But anyway, that is Shadrack Sibia, And another thing Sibia was saying, what? My preparation to appear before the ad hoc committee has been disturbed by this raid because he was saying I'm preparing, to appear before the committee, but somehow everything has been disturbed by this raid. I'll catch you guys on the next one.